Today I will be showing you how to make a simple diabetes friendly salad with the salad cream that you can prepare on Christmas Day to pair along with your meals or your dishes, especially your rice dishes. So you are going to start by prepping all your vegetables, and then we start by layering it in your salad bowl. So the first vegetable we will be putting is cabbage. So after layering your cabbage, the next vegetable to add is your lettuce. Spread your lettuce over your cabbage, then go ahead to add your shredded carrots. Make sure that they are finely chopped. That's the beauty of the salad, and that's how you can enjoy it. Next up is to add your cucumbers, and I peeled the flesh so that it can be juicy, you can enjoy it more. So go ahead to layer your cucumber, layer them nicely. Then after that, we are going to follow up with our shredded chicken. Trust me, this is a game changer. It's just going to elevate the taste of your salad. Ensure that you add proteins to your salad. It's going to be helpful and you're going to enjoy it more. So layer up your shredded chicken nicely, then followed by our de-seeded tomatoes. So if you want to enjoy the salad, just go ahead to remove the seeds of the tomatoes before slicing them and adding to your salad. And after that, also add your boiled eggs, slice them as so, and layer them up also in your salad bowl. And that's it. Those are the ingredients for this our simple blood sugar friendly salad. So after that, now I'm going to prepare the salad cream that I'm going to pair with this salad now. And the first up, the most important ingredient is Greek yogurt, because we don't want all those saturated fats. So ensure you make use of Greek yogurt. So after measuring out your quantity, the required quantity of your Greek yogurt, go ahead to squeeze your lemon inside it. Squeeze your lemon. Of course, I'm still going to remove the seeds that you see here. So after that, add your, for this recipe I made use of honey because my blood sugar is well controlled. If not, you can add stevia. After that, after adding your stevia, go ahead to add your black pepper, go ahead to add your parsley flakes. All these spices are going to elevate the taste, and that's just it. Simple ingredients. After that, incorporate everything together very well. Incorporate them together, mix them very well, and after they are well incorporated, you have your salad cream. Instead of using mayonnaise, instead of using all those things that contain, or ketchup that contain saturated fat and lots of processed sugar, you have a healthy salad cream to pair with your salad. Don't forget to like and share this video. See you.